everyone, Energetic India is here at the RenewX Expo 2026 and today we have with us Mr. Rajat Srivastav, General Manager Marketing, Icon Solar. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good too sir. So sir, starting with the interview, my first question to you is what products are you showcasing at the expo this year?
We are showcasing right now the product which I am showcasing is glass to glass 600 watt pick. We do have G12R series also in which we are manufacturing 620, 625. We are still with monoperk. So all the verticals or all the product verticals we have as of now. Yes.
That's great. So there is a situation of oversupply of modules in the industry right now. So how is the company looking at that?
See, we have our own market, I would say, where in government projects, you say PM Suryaghar and Kusum. Apart from that, there are a lot of other CNI orders we have. So there was a crunch like where supplies were not moving too fast, like 5-6 months back. But now we do not have any stock because we have a lot of orders with us. So that's what I'll say. We all have our own market, our own territory to work.
That is good to know. So, amid the recent geopolitical situations, what are your expansion plans and strategies?
See, this situation which is met worldwide, the raw material cost has been increased significantly. So, the price which we were selling like 4 months back is now, I would say, increased a lot, and that is hampering the market, Indian market, and the people who are going with the solarization and they want to opt for the projects. But then again, we have a lot of orders with us. We all have to, come together in this situation, and we should look forward for the net zero target what we are having. The situation may come. See, like from past 12 years, this company is 12-year old. We have seen a lot of ups and downs in the market, whether it's a international situation or Indian markets or DCR. When came the orders was very slow. We have seen GST. So meanwhile, like there are a lot of situations, and we all had overcome that. So I would suggest this situation will also go slowly, and we should be positive for that.
So, are there any plans to enter any new verticals or backward integration as of now?
We are into we are doing it, and we have our own backsheet plant. We are coming up with aluminum extrusion. So that's what is our plan as of now. We are also looking out for the cell manufacturing and ingots and wafers. So, but that will take some time. I'll let you know about that. Yeah.
So, my last question to you is what are your expansion plans? Any new partnerships that we can look forward to?
See, our capacity is right now 2.6 gigawatt, and we are definitely looking out to double it that by 2030. That's what about the module manufacturing. And as I said, like we will go with the wafers and ingots. That's the second option we are doing for. Yeah.
So, I think that answers all my questions. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.